So let us say that we have an n cross n matrix, and we have to find the sum of the diagonal elements of this matrix. So the target is that we have to calculate the sum of the diagonal elements of a, say for example, we are taking 3 cross 3 matrix. First we will take a matrix. For example, we have a matrix A and its size, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So put any values, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So since there are 9 elements, so this will be the first row, this will be the second row, and this will be the third row of the matrix. Okay, we have to find the sum of diagonal elements, and let us first write this thing. Take some int value, for example sum. Let us initially store 0 in it. We will use this later. So now we have to, what we have to do, we have to traverse the whole matrix and then check the diagonal elements and find the sum of that. Since we have to traverse the whole matrix, again we will use loop, and since this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 rows 3 columns, so I will I which will control the row thing, this loop will control the row thing, it will move from less than 3 I plus plus. So this will run from 0 to 2, which means 3 elements. So again from column, for column we will write I equal to 0, I less than 3, j less than 3, j plus plus, and this loop is for the columns. So this runs from 0 to 2, this also runs from 0 to 2. Fine. Now we have to find, we have to first check which are the diagonal elements. How will we know which are the diagonal elements? This is very simple. Those elements whose I and j is same, has the same value, are diagonal elements. So we know that in a 3 cross 3 matrix, the diagonal element are a of 0 0, a of 1 1, and a of 2 2. So 1 0 0 I and j is same, 1 1 I and j is same, 2 2 I and j is same. So whenever I and j are the same, that means it is a these are the diagonal elements. So for comparing I and j, obviously we will use an if. So we will say if I equal to j, then only we have to do the sum thing. So if we don't write this if I equal to j and do summation, what will happen? All the elements of the array will be added up. That logic we can use when we have to add all the elements of an array. Here in this question we only have to add the diagonal elements. So this if will tell us that which are the diagonal elements. So that now we can say easily sum equal to sum plus uh, what, the value of a of I and j. So all this if means when they are equal. So when will they be equal? At 0 0, at 1 1, and at 2 2. So this line, this statement will execute only 3 times. It will execute at 0 0, at 1 1, and at 2 2, which obviously means only the diagonal elements will be added. So when we do summation, this is a common logic that we write it sum equal to sum plus that thing, and initially we put the sum equal to 0. So the initial value of sum is 0, which won't affect the results, and this sum variable here as well as here make sure that we get the total summation of all those elements. Now when all this process is over, we'll get the final sum, and that sum we can print here, printf. We can write summation of all diagonal elements is equivalent to percentage d, and what is that, comma, that is the sum variable. And this way we can solve this problem. So let us first save this program. Let us call it matrix diagonal sum. Compile it. Okay, we have not declared this int I and j. Done. Save, compile. Good. Let us run this program. And it is saying the summation of all the diagonal elements is equivalent to 15. So we can cross check it from here. So this is 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 9 is 15. These are the three diagonal elements, and their summation comes out to be 15.